Quick flash, long pause, quick flash, long pause, quick flash, long pause. That's how the LED is blinking right now. Two numbers are controlling this, and they are not sitting separately, they are bundled together in one box. Wash time, spin time. Two settings that only make sense together, so they live together. This creates one real box from that blueprint and fills both slots at once. Dot notation, same as GPIO underscore instruct dot pin. A lot of episodes ago, same idea. We've been looking at struct this whole time. We use dot wash milliseconds, dot spin milliseconds. We swap these two values, 800, 200, we flash it, and we see the behavior changes. Swap both numbers and the whole rhythm flips. One box changed as one unit.